Hello again, fellow entrepreneurs. In our last post, we explored journey maps as a way to understand the steps, emotion, and pain points users experience. Today, let's talk about the next tool in the design thinking toolkit, personas. One of the biggest aha moments I had in learning design thinking was realizing that I'm not my user. When designing solutions, it's easy to assume we know our users, but assumptions can mislead. That's where personas come in. They remind us to design for real people, not assumptions. Personas are fiction by research-based profiles that represent a real user. Built from interviews, observation, and data, not hunches, they transform abstract users into relatable humans. Instead of saying our users are busy professional, you can define Jordan, 34, a project manager juggling deadlines who value efficiency and hate unnecessary steps. Without personas, team can drift into designing for themselves. Personas ground us in stories and context. They bring users to life in a way that sticky notes and data points alone cannot. By building empathy, seeing motivations, fear and frustration, staying focused, checking decision, would this help Jordan? And aligning the team so that everyone has the same vision of who we are designing for. Strong personas go beyond demographics. They paint a vivid picture with goals, what the person is trying to achieve, pain points, what frustrated or blocked them, behavior and context, how they use tools, make decisions or navigate challenges, voice, providing a short narrative or quote. Not all personas are created the same. You may use a primary persona, the main focus of your design, a secondary persona, important but not priority, or even a negative persona. Those who intentionally choose not to design, for this keeps your design grounded and avoid trying to be everything to everyone. When teams use persona effectively, they create solutions that are human centered, targeted to real needs, and meaningful. Persona bridge the gap between data and empathy, turning research into stories we can design for. In our next post in this series, we move from understanding the user to exploring impact and efforts of design thinking. See you next time.